Are you frustrated with your health? Even when you're doing everything right? You've tried the diets, the pills, the quick fixes, but nothing worked long term. And they steal your energy, your focus, your joy, and your future. But what if one real change could pull you out of it, and fast? At Life Enthusiast, we restore vitality from the inside out. The silver bullet, the magic button, it always fails. Dealing with root causes actually works. Not the same old stuff you hear everywhere else. You are suffering from what we call the 4 pillars of sickness. 1, malnutrition. Lots of calories, not enough nutrition. 2, stagnation. Sitting in a car or at a desk for 10 hours a day, followed by 4 hours in front of a TV or on your phone. That's not the way we are designed. 3, toxicity. Pollutants in the air, the water, your food, your skincare, your home, everywhere around you. And 4, unresolved trauma. Your body affects your mind, and your mind affects your body. No amount of talk therapy is going to fix this. Thousands have gone from struggling to thriving by understanding how these 4 pillars negatively impact their lives. The result? More energy, better digestion, smarter brains, real vitality. They didn't get just better, they got addicted to feeling great. You are the master of your own health story. We are just a guide. With our proven approach and products, we restore vitality to you and to the planet. I recommend you start at the top navigation bar with health concerns. There, you will find a virtual library of information on many issues and challenges that people have. When you look at any specific product, you will discover its purpose, ingredients, how to use it effectively, and what our customers say about it. And oftentimes, links to peer-reviewed scientific papers and patents on its ingredients. Very rarely does someone come here because they are healthy and want to get even better. 98% of visitors come to this site because they have a health challenge and traditional pill pushing hasn't worked, stopped working, or the dosage is so high now that the side effects are worse than the problem itself. I have been studying and researching health for over 40 years. I call myself a health engineer because I am very good at designing solutions to health puzzles. For that reason, I invite you to schedule a short 15-minute consultation. We can go over your history, and you will leave with a comprehensive plan to restore your vitality. I assure you, you are in the right place to bring vitality back into your life.